Akiaria hindi ya kuhingura Kigomano kia engineers mwena wa Naivasha kaunti ya Nakuru, Mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto nionanitie kwaga kuiganira na ugitiri wa miako ya manyumba kurumirira mitino iri ikoretwo ikihanika.
Structures collapse. Engineers are quick to say this is the job of quacks. Quacks are quick to say this is job of engineers. And today, Your Excellency, we want to have a registration portal where engineers will be registering all the projects they are involved in, and therefore there will be no excuse.
Ruto augite kuhingurwo kwa rurenda rwa kwandikithia engineer aria matakinyaniirie ikiro niguo guteithiriria thirikari guthingatithia mawatho maria mabatie kurumirirwo mierio iria nyititwo mbaru ni muikariri giti wa gikundi kia engineers Bururi-Ini Erastus Mongera.
All projects that are being undertaken both by government of Kenya or by even the private sector, that a portal will give us who the engineers, who the professionals are, so that we can hold them to account.
Ruto ni atugiritie itemi ria gikundi giki akiuga nio megukorwo mari a mbere kugunika na tafarira itiganite iria thirikari irambiriria.
All the components that we put in place need the support of professional bodies, need the support of engineers in all their aspects, whether it is our digital superhighway and even the component that we are looking at in housing. We will need a whole array of engineering capacity and professionals to support this endeavor.
On a highway from Mombasa to Malaba, Honorable President, Your Excellency, to make it sure that we use private sector. Our argument in the ministry is that as we bring private people to partner with us from out of the country, we will be strict to ensure that local partnership is adhered to.
Ona kuhanura uguo akimuria guthundura utaramu wa kiriu uria ukunyihia garama ya waki wa farafara.
Innovate around e-mobility, about what we can do with renewable energy. We have huge resources of wind, we have huge resources of solar, and we can power our economy, especially around the mobility space, using renewable energy.
Hadwini ha Kameme TV, yetagwo Gena wa Waduro.